Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby Channel, and today I'm gonna unbox the BMRX Standard Edition. Before we begin, I would like to thank Manos Varojis for spearheading this project to give me this car as a gift. And thanks to everyone on the WLtoys K969 and K989 Facebook group as well. The names for all the participants are displayed on the video right now. I can't thank you enough for this gift you guys have given me. And shout out to Shan RC as well. Thanks for getting me this car so quickly. It came from Malaysia to Greece within 3 days. That's remarkable. He provides great service, especially if you are looking for premium and hard to find cars, like TRC, Drift Art, or fully hopped up XRX DPA. The link to his Facebook is in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Now let's get on with the unboxing. So, this is a 1:24 scale car. It is designed specifically to use with 1:24 scale plastic model. And here's the manual. It doesn't actually include a printed manual inside the box, but you can scan this QR code to download the manual. And then we have the wheels, and these are extra wheels and differential that I got from Shan RC. So because I knew that this differential, this solid axle actually is a weak point of this car, so the reason I want this car is actually to investigate and figure out the way to run it reliably and cheaply without having to stockpile this part. And the wheels, these are 22mm wheels, and these are offset adjustable wheels. You can probably see there are some slots in there that with different depth, so we can put this middle part in to adjust the offset. And here's the kit with electronics. That's what it said, but actually it only comes with a servo and a gyro, and it comes with magnet mount as well. Wheels and tires are also included in this package. There is also a cheaper package as well, which costs $135. That one has only chassis, it doesn't have this bag. And this kit with electronics, this kit costs $199. Next, we have shocks, a diff, and some turnbuckles, and also different gears. So they give us different gears to play with. That's really good. And next we have gearbox. This is rear wheel drive car, so it only needs the rear gear. And next we have the screws, some gear, some ball bearings, and a hex wrench, which is very nice of them to include this in the package. Otherwise, if you are new to RC car, you're gonna have to buy this separately. And well, it is not expensive, just something like $1 or $2 a piece. But you know, if it is that cheap, why not include it in the package? So they give us this, so that's fantastic. And finally we have the chassis plate. It is 1:24 scale rear wheel drive drift car with adjustable wheelbase, designed specifically to use with 1:24 scale model. And here's all the stuff in this package: chassis plate, screws, gearbox, shocks, and electronics, which are only the servo and gyro. You'll have to provide your own ESC motor, radio with receiver, and a battery as well. So here's the question: what body will I use with this car? Well, no surprise actually. It is going to be another Nissan Skyline. And here's the body. Let's try and offer it up to the chassis. It's going to go something like this. Looks fantastic. So it should work really well. Something like this, I guess, because I haven't seen the manual yet. Let's take a look at the wheels again, because they are pretty clever. So the outer ring has some slots that we can put the centerpiece in. I'll open it up to see. Open it to show you better. This design is pretty clever actually. So let's take a look. You see 3 slots here, so I can put this one in to have not so deep offset. And then the second one, that's the third, here's the second. I have a little deeper offset. And then the final one. Now would you look at that? This is great. This is really clever. So let's take a closer look at some other components of this car. The wheel. I think I forgot to mention that the wheels are 22mm, which are a little bit bigger than Mini Z wheels, and they use the rear-wheel drive format of the Mini Z. So unlike the other cars in this scale that use all-wheel drive wheels, this one uses rear-wheel drive wheels with adapter to go in the back and standard bearings to go in the front. So here's are the electronics, and magnet mount, rev tires. Let's have a feel. It feels really good, and these tires should have good low speed control. Next we have the gyro, which is a pretty standard gyro, but well, I've seen this before. It works really well. I think it is comparable to about the AFRC, the second version. And then the servo, which is pretty standard 5G servo, so nothing out of ordinary or nothing too exciting. It is the same unit as the one I have in my XRX DPA and in my WLtoys and MiniQ, so I know it works well. It's a standard servo that works well, and that's it. Honestly, looking from the past, it doesn't look very complicated to build, but you know, I like to be thorough with this kind of build, so it is going to take quite a long time. And that's it for this video. You can look forward to my build video, my test drive video, first impression, and then full review. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.